Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture in the top right. And here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. And then you need to click on settings. And here you need to search for the option that is short cut bar. Okay, and here you can see option of marketplace. Click on that, and here you need to click on pin. Keep in your navigation bar. Okay, then you need to go back and refresh in your account. So let me close and open again. So here you can see marketplace. So this is the process by which you can fix marketplace not showing up on your Facebook account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.